Oh, I am so excited. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is more of like a talky vloggy video. I'm basically just chatting you through why I am ridiculously excited at the moment. I have recently, well, ignore this, there's like a tractor in the background because we're putting up sheep fencing and it looks super professional, and I'm so proud of Sharon, Chris and Sam because they've done such an amazing job with the goat fencing. I'm actually ridiculously proud of them for doing it because it looks really professional. All the posts are like bang upright straight, like not sort of like wonky. So yeah, I'm extremely proud of them, to be fair. But yeah, so if you hear that in the background, I'm really sorry. But basically I just have two updates as to why I'm super excited. The first one is I have got a new camera I'm really excited about, so that's what I'm filming on now. It's the Canon G7X Mark II. It came as like a vlogger's bundle, so it came with the stand, so it's like a Gorilla Pod stand I think they're called, the camera and a memory card, 32 gig. So that's going to really help the channel because before I was filming on my iPhone 11, which is fine if I'm doing sort of like talky things like this, or I just want to quickly get out like a little short video. But when it came to sort of like quality, trying to get bits that I just can't, it's just not the quality I was looking for on the channel really. So as much as I do love videoing with my iPhone, it's because it's just so easy to sort of like get it out and like record. I'm really excited that I've got this new camera, to be fair. So hopefully the quality will like improve, and yeah, just hopefully it will just improve the channel a little bit with the quality. I don't really have anything else to say apart from I'm just super happy about that, to be fair. And then the second reason why I am super excited is I've been talking a lot on Instagram and on my channel about how soon I am taking my Civic to the body shop. We went yesterday to get like a date and just run through the last bits and bobs that it needs to be doing, and we have finally got a date. It is going to be next Saturday I'm bringing it in. So when he told me that I nearly cried. But yeah, basically I'm having the rust done and all the dents removed and just making it look perfect, and then from there I'm also having a colour change. Hang on, I'll show you what's next to me. Sam currently pulling, I don't even know what that is, a shell of a car. It's just very off-putting when you're trying to video, but it's jokes. Farmer Sam to the rescue. But yeah, basically I am getting a new colour change. I'm not telling anyone as of yet because I want to do like a colour reveal video, as I've been wanting to have this colour for my car forever. Ever since I got the EG, this was my goal, to have a Kswap EG. But yeah, you can certainly have a guess. If anyone does get it, I will tell them. So yeah, you can leave a comment below, try and guess it, or you can message me on Instagram if you want to have a guess as well. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out. But yeah, I just want to do some more sort of vloggy content for you guys because I'm just so excited. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited for my car to go to the body shop. Like, words cannot describe how long I've been waiting for my car to have a change of colour, to look perfect. So I've got the whole engine bay for me that's going to look, well, it does look amazing, done by Josh Slater. So if you need any work for your car, if you want it K-swapped, hit him up. He's on Facebook. So that's Josh Slater. He did an amazing job on my engine bay. And then yeah, the person who's doing my respray and bodywork is Barry Kempton, and yeah, I've just always heard like good things about him, and when we went and chatted with him, he was such a perfectionist. Like he was like, no, you can't have this, the bonnet's not right, so I'll realign that, I'll make sure all that's smoothed. And he went through the whole car and it wasn't rushed, he just sort of took his time. So I'm really confident that what he's gonna give me with the whole bodywork is exactly what I want, and I think that's why I have so much more confidence and happiness in knowing that it's going to someone who's going to treat it with sort of like care and love, and then my baby. But yeah, anyway, just make sure to like and subscribe, don't miss out on any content. I will be posting, I've still got the Q&A to post up. I did film it the other day, I just need to post it up. So thank you to everyone for the questions. I think there's like 20, something like that. But yeah, thanks for joining me. Bye.